Hello, everyone. Chelsea here from FleetHoster, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to access your new FleetFlix AI Plus Pro inside GeoTab. The first thing you'll need to do is log into GeoTab and travel to the FleetFlix AI tab. Under Cameras, this is where you will see all of your cameras listed out for you. First and foremost, you'll see your camera name, so the name that you choose for the camera, the vehicle that it is associated with, and that camera's IMEI. Out to the right, you will find the live stream option. You will select the camera view that you want to see. The footage will load here in this small window. You'll watch the footage and then click the blue X when you're finished. On the screen, you will also be able to see the driver assigned to the vehicle if you have assigned a driver, and your camera status. So this camera is currently online and has a healthy recording status. This camera is currently in standby and healthy recording status. And this camera has been sitting idle for more than 30 minutes, and the camera is offline, but still has a healthy recording status. If you have any questions or concerns about your new FleetFlix AI Plus Pro, feel free to reach out to your FleetHoster support team anytime. Thank you and have a great day.